Misumi Annex Renovation by Studio AMB in Japan. This project involves the renovation of a 120-year-old traditional wooden house in the Misumi region of Shimane, Japan, into an accommodation facility. The building, which looks out to sea and nestles up against a hill at the back of the house, was built as a detached house for the local landlord. It is built directly on a stone foundation and is almost semi-outdoor, with only a wooden door as an external wall to blow the wind. The client wanted visitors to the fishing village, which is characterized by its stone tile roofs, to experience the local climate and culture, including nature, as it is. By reinterpreting the idea of the traditional Japanese earthen floor and placing the functions of daily life, such as cooking and bathing, in a space on the ground floor that was dug into the ground and made into a single unit, a new protected space was created that is continuous with the external space but enclosed at shoulder height. This open yet enclosed earthen floor space is intended to function as a place where people can directly feel the region's unique climate and learn about the culture of gathering and interaction. When no guests stay overnight, it is hoped that it will become a relaxed place where locals can naturally gather.